threw the shoe? Written by Hoàng, Ngọc, Đoan, Trang, Phung, Nguyen, Quang. Illustrated by Nguyen, Quang, Phung. Published by Room to Read. Crocodile is about to doze off when someone throws a shoe at his head. "Whose shoe is this?" he snaps. He has an idea. Perhaps the shoe belongs to Frog. "Is this yours, Frog?" Crocodile demands. "No, my foot is too tiny for that big shoe," Frog answers nervously. "Is that so?" Crocodile leaves. He gets another idea. "The shoe must belong to Ostrich." Crocodile calls, "It's a shoe, Ostrich!" "But my foot is too slim for that white shoe." Ostrich panics. "Is that so? Grr." Crocodile is getting angry. "The shoe must belong to a rabbit." He growls, "To whom does the shoe belong?" The rabbits shake with fear. No, our feet are too long for that shoe. It could never fit us." "But it must belong to someone." Crocodile leaves in anger. At that moment, a snake crawls by. Crocodile growls, "Snake, the shoe's yours, isn't it?" Snake stutters, "But I don't even have feet." Embarrassed, Crocodile flees. He can't figure out who threw the shoe. "When I find out whose shoe this is," Crocodile shouts, "I'm going to give them a piece of my mind." At that moment, a lion charges towards him. "I am looking for a shoe," Lion says. "Did you see it, Crocodile?" Crocodile shrugs. "I haven't seen any shoes this morning." What is he going to do with the shoe now? Well, Crocodile thinks someone threw it at me. The shoe flies through the air. "Ouch!" Bear growls. "Whose shoe is this?"